A fast rise in price does not constitute a bubble. An artificial valuation that would lead to a sudden downward correction constitutes a bubble. Choices based on individual human action by hundreds of thousands of market participants is the cause for Bitcoin's price to fluctuate as the market seeks price discovery. Reasons for changes in sentiment may include a loss of confidence in Bitcoin, a large difference between value and price, not based on the fundamentals of the Bitcoin economy. Increased press coverage simulating prospective demand of an old-fashioned international imbalance and greed. So I'm going to leave it right here. For more information, go to the Wiz Coins or the link down below, which is the blog. And I'll see you on my next video.